Hey, Andrew here. If you watch this channel long enough, you realize that I'm not spending enough time talking about lenses or even reviewing them. Today, exception. Today I'm going to share with you what I think about the TTArtisan 75mm f2 lens. Well, I'm going to be honest. We're going to do this the good point and bad points format. Good point number one, the price. Take a look at this price. It is just $199 US. I must tell you, this is one of the cheaper lenses I've come across. But is it good? Good point number two, metal body and truly well built. Good point number three, really small and light. I hate lenses that are big and heavy because, it's supposed to be light so that you can be creative, you can be candid portrait photographers. The next good point, we got this dedicated aperture ring. Gives it that classic feel. The sharpness, simple. Take a look at this photo and judge for yourself. But bear in mind, you gotta know how to use this. Don't use low shutter speed because this baby doesn't have in-lens stabilization. And here's the thing, this lens can go all the way fully open to f2, which can make the bokeh really nice. Take a look at all this. But be careful, because sometimes you may end up with very busy bokeh sometimes. Okay, the first bad point. This thing can focus hunt a little bit. No need lah, just up. So I can bear with this with photo, but when it comes to video, I have to be very careful. So what I was thinking is perhaps in the coming firmware, TTArtisan can update this lens, because if you look at the rear lens cap of the lens, there's a USB port here which you can use to update the lens firmware. Second bad point, I get this quite frequently. This aperture ring is really cool, but there is no lock. So very frequently I end up turning this. Well, you can call me clumsy. You know what? My producer Yi Chong thought that there should be a little bit of a stiffening of the turning so that we can that way it won't be nudged that easily. And finally, online, I do hear some people saying that they get flare, but I haven't gotten flares. But to be honest with you, I'm a flare junkie. So as long as you don't shoot directly to the flash, then it's fine. You know what? You should actually watch this episode because I feel that photographers should be knowing how to control their flare. And if you do it correctly, it's going to be artistic. Hey, thanks for watching. Those are the good points and the bad points. And overall, what I think, I would rate this lens a 4.5. I love it. In fact, it's my de facto lens when I go out and shoot portrait. So head on to the description, check the link if you want to get yourself this TTArtisan lens. Chef approved. Because I want to like...